cargo ship documents destroyed by fire. General cargo ship Sabanayaga suffered fire in one of the crew's cabins in the morning September 6, in Barito River, South Kalimantan, Indonesia, while proceeding downstream, en route to Balikpapan, Western Kalimantan. Fire reportedly was quickly extinguished by crew and didn't spread around, but some ships and crew's papers were burned, so probably fire erupted in captain's cabin. General cargo ship Sabanayaga, IMO 8,622,024, DWT 700, built 1984, flag Indonesia, manager Fresco Line Samudra PT, cargo ship.